In this video, you'll learn how to link a contact to a deal in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Connecting the right people to the right deals helps keep your pipeline accurate and your communication organized. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to link a contact from your list to a deal, whether you're assigning a main contact or adding additional participants. Start by opening Pipedrive and navigating to your pipeline. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Deals. This will take you to your pipeline or list view where all your active deals are displayed. Select the deal you want to update. Once you open the deal, you'll be taken to its detail view. Here you can see important information such as deal value, stage, activities, and the people associated with it. Near the top of the deal page, locate the Person field. This shows the main contact currently linked to the deal. Hover over the contact name and you'll see a small pencil or edit icon appear. Click on this icon to enter edit mode. At this point, you have two options. If you want to replace the main contact, you can remove the existing person and select a new one. This is useful when the original contact is no longer the primary point of communication. Alternatively, if you want to include additional people without replacing the main contact, click the Add Participants option. Participants allow you to associate multiple contacts with the same deal, which is especially useful when dealing with teams, decision makers, or multiple stakeholders. Begin typing the name of the contact you want to link. If the person already exists in your contacts list, they will appear in the suggestions. Select the correct contact and confirm by clicking the Link or Add button. Once completed, the contact will be connected to the deal either as the main person or as a participant, depending on your choice. You can verify the update by checking the Person field or the Participants section on the deal page. If the contact doesn't appear in the search results, it may not yet exist in your contacts. In that case, make sure the person is added to your contacts before linking them to the deal. That's it. You've successfully linked a contact to a deal in Pipedrive. This helps ensure your CRM stays organized and that your team always knows who is involved in each deal, making it easier to track communication and manage your sales process effectively.